We just wrapped up here at the Emergency Operations Center. We had our principals and our district leadership team here, and we were practicing and reviewing for a potential hurricane or disaster in our county. Very fortunate, Hillary Worrell, who's the director of our emergency operations, was here and conducted what we call a simulation exercise, where we went through a variety of different situations to discuss what we would do and how we would do it. We're very happy that Dave Vincent was willing to offer us the space to be here and the staff to be able to help facilitate that opportunity. We know we're about a month and a half into hurricane season, but we want to be prepared. Your child's safety is our first priority, and we want to make sure as we go into this season, we're prepared to make sure kids are safe in our schools each and every day. So whether we have a storm, whatever we need to do, we want to be able to be prepared for that. That was the purpose of today's exercise. Thanks to Director Worrell for being here today. I'd also like to thank Sheriff Vincent for cooperating with us and being a part of it. And Sheriff Vincent even came in, spoke to the group, and gave us some great words of wisdom as we worked through the process.